There's a few different ways to create complex shapes for searching spatially in GeoClerk, and one of those is to take a KML or GeoJSON file and input that directly into the software to create a shape. So for those of you who don't know how to create a KML or GeoJSON file from a shape file, I'm going to show you very quickly how to do that. So I'm going to fire up QGIS, and I've actually loaded up this group of tenements, and then I've just run the dissolve function to create a single shape from that. So to output that as a KML file, I simply click on the name of the layer, go to export and say save features as, give it a file name. So I'm just going to call this demo1. You can set the coordinate system in here, and then select whether you want to output that as a KML file or a GeoJSON file. In this case, I'm going to use KML. It's slightly more robust. Just click OK, and then click Add Layers, and it will go off and create that. And then to import that into GeoClerk, and then I'll go over to My Shapes under my initials, go down to the bottom, click on Add a Shape, and you'll see it says you have the option to drag and drop a KML file. So I can just open up that KML file. Here we go, demo1, drag that in there, and there it is loaded. And then I can just give it a name. So again, I'm just going to call it demo1. You could associate it with a project if you want. You have the option to share it with your organization, but I'm just going to save that there. And it's as easy as that. There are lots of other demos, videos on how to create shapes from other routes